Hi friends, welcome back. We are here with another video of making encumbrance certificate in the state of Odisha. So in this video we'll explain you step by step how to search for encumbrance certificate, giving your property details, also how to get it downloaded, how to apply for it, pay online and get it downloaded once it is approved by the authority. So please subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Also please press the bell button to get the updates notification from us. Also, if you like the video, kindly rate us good, give us a like after this video. Open a Google Chrome page on your mobile or laptop or iPad, and in the Google you just type in IGR Odisha. Okay, this is the government website of IGR Odisha. First link you can click in and it will take you to the Odisha government website where you are going to apply for the encumbrance certificate. Just scroll down this page a little bit down unless you see the encumbrance certificate link. So you can see here you can see the option of online encumbrance certificate. This is the option I'm just talking about, and this is the link you are going to click. So when you click for the online encumbrance certificate link, you get two options: online application or process flow. You are supposed to click on the online application. So for the first time, friends, we are supposed to make username and login ID here. So you can give your username is just your name, it's not the login ID. And login ID you can see below, this is the login ID. When you give a login ID there, click on the check availability to know whether this login ID is available. So for example, in my case, first time it told it's already taken by another user, so I gave another login ID and then it told when I clicked on check availability, yes, that is available. So this will be my login ID. And password, remember 8 characters, minimum 1 alphabet, 1 number and 1 special character, and you remember your password. So the login ID and password combination will be used next time onwards. You enter your secret answer, question and captcha, click on submit. You are through. Now you get user created successfully and the user ID, login ID will be displayed here. So you remember the login ID and password. So by default it takes you into the website once you create it, so you don't need to log in again unless logged out. Now if you scroll a little bit down, you can see the encumbrance certificate option here, and under this you can see an apply new EC stands for encumbrance certificate. Click on apply new EC. Then if you scroll down a little bit, you have to give all your details here. So this is search encumbrance certificate. Okay, you are going to search it first. When it is found, you are going to apply for it. Here you are supposed to give your name, Aadhaar number, all the details are mandatory, whatever there in the red mark. Give all the details, and below you give your address details. If multiple owners are there for the property, click on this and give multiple owner details, and come down, you select your sorry, I am selecting country as India and state as Odisha here, and district, when I click on district, I select in the example as Cuttack, and village I am typing it as Bhubaneswar here. Bhubaneswar I gave, you have to type it in manually, Bhubaneswar. So I have typed in Bhubaneswar, and then Aadhaar number you have to give. Address also I am just giving as Bhubaneswar. And property details is the place you have to fill in the property details for which you are going to get an encumbrance certificate. So Aadhaar number I have filled in. Now property details, under property details I am filling in district name again Cuttack, and registration office also Cuttack. All this information you should be knowing it, and this is the main place where you are going to say I need encumbrance certificate from this date to this date. So you know encumbrance certificate says the ownership details of a property. So from this date to this date, who was the owner of the property? So that's what said by the encumbrance certificate. So remember, encumbrance certificates will be asked on for a period. You can even ask for 10 years. Now from date I have given, to date I have given, and I am selecting other Tehsil name as Cuttack and village name is Adelia 47. So you can select it as your own. Now khata number, you should know your khata number. and plot number also you should know. These two are also important for identifying your property. You should know khata number and plot number. I am giving it as 12 in my case. And area is optional here, you can ignore it if you do not know properly. Otherwise, if you know it, either square meter, square feet, you can specify it, and that is optional. Don't worry if you are unaware of that, it's not a problem. In this case I am giving an area. So now you can see, click here to get specific search boundary details. Okay, you can tick this option or you can click this option in case you know the property boundary details. Otherwise, do not tick this option, just ignore it. Okay, so in this case, suppose if I know like what is their east, what is their west, and what is their south and north of my property, then I have to enter this. For example, I'm just giving like, if you know east of your property is plot number something, and next west is some road or whatever, you can give it and you can search for it. And this is optional, it's not needed. So in my case I'm not giving this, I just showed you the example, but I have removed it. And this one also, so plot number, see I have given just like this, plot number, another plot number, and south is a temple and next is a road. You can click on add. So for example, if I do not know the boundary, you can just ignore it. Okay, I'll just show you the fields again once more, because this is very important. You are filling in all application owners details, coming down, filling in your property details, and this is very important, from which date to which date you need the encumbrance certificate, under which period you need the encumbrance, and khata number, plot number is also very important. I am ignoring the area and I am also ignoring the boundary details here. I am not giving the boundary details here. So this is optional, I have already shown you. Now what you do is, once these things are done, this is also I'm not giving, and you have to scroll down, end of the page, you can see an option button of add. Okay, I already mentioned I'm not giving these two, and I'm clicking on add. So if your property details are found, you can see it is found in my case, so you can add that property clicking here, and the property will be see, property search is success, and you can scroll down and see all your application, whatever you filled in, it will be showing. If you agree it, you can click on agree, or if you feel like some modification is needed, you have to click on the is update button. Okay, in my case I agreed, my khata number, plot number, my property details is correct, I am clicking on agree, I agree. So this will take you to next page where you are supposed to pay for this online. So friends, this is the amount, 101 rupees you have to pay. You can click on the pay. So when you click on the pay button, it will take you to another page where it will ask disclaimer. You click on OK and proceed. Now this is the e-challan, you can see on the top of the page, IFMS Odisha e-challan. Okay, they will give you the reference ID, the payment breakup, whatever you are doing, all the details are given here. Okay, you can scroll down and you can select your payment mode. So as of I can see only SBI is there available. You can select SBI, and the charges are given here. SBI might charge something for this, and click on SBI ePay is already come here. Now by default SBI ePay is there, you cannot change it, only one option, that's okay, but later you will be paying using NEFT and other things, don't worry about this page. You give some remark as EC charges or something, and then what you do, fill in the captcha here for FGRX is my case. Okay, once it is done, you click on the proceed button below, and it takes some time, sometimes processing, please wait. You can see here challan reference ID is created, please note it down, you would have got a message, otherwise write it down. Don't forget this reference ID. So again you scroll down, you can see now there is an option again for payment options. You select those options, whatever coming into, click on pay. So 101 rupees you are going to pay. Now the last page of payment comes. See here you can select debit card, credit card, or you have even internet banking option here. So don't worry, all the options are there. So I just selected internet banking. So in the internet banking I have to give which bank I am going to pay for this purpose, right, the credentials. So I have selected State Bank of India itself. You can select your own bank, and when you pay, click on pay now, it will ask for bank credentials. I think you should have the bank credentials of your username password. Once the payment is done, you get a receipt like this. You can see here encumbrance certificate receipt is given, all the application number, date, from whom it is received, because you are filling up the applicant name in the beginning, right? So all those details are given here, your bank transaction number, complete things are here of your payment and for what you have paid. Now you click on the print here, and just download this and keep, so that if you need, it's a receipt. And after that you can click on proceed. Now things are done. Okay, anytime you wanted to know what is the procedure is, you have applied for it, right? So it might take 10 to 15 days accordingly to get it approved. So if they need it, they might ask you clarification. Some things they might come back asking you, this is needed or this is not needed, or some clarification. So how you verify it? You can log into the same page, igrodisha.gov.in. okay, so in this you now scroll down and you can click on this existing user login, because you have already a username and password, right? So enter your username, password and captcha and login. Once you have logged in here, and if you scroll a little bit down, you see the encumbrance certificate option, and in my case you can see total number of application pending is 2. This is because I had applied for 2 encumbrance certificate here. See here, this says you have already 2 pending applications. So you can click here, view application status, and you can see each of your application, what is the current status. If it is under approval, as you can see here, in my case, one is like I didn't pay at all, and another is I have paid and payment confirmation is pending. Okay, so this is the 2 status of mine. So once it is done completely, once the approval has come for you, you get something like this, where you can see here first one is approved, and you can print EC certificate. So that means your encumbrance certificate application is approved. So when you download, you get something like this. This is the form number 26. This red marked is the period which you have asked for your encumbrance certificate. Means suppose I have asked for last 10 years, from when to when will be marked here. Okay, and all other your properties details like boundary and which property you have applied for, easy complete details will be here. This is the encumbrance certificate. So friends, thank you very much. If you like the video, please give us a like. Also subscribe our channel so that you get all the update notification from us. Please press the bell button. Thank you very much. See you with another video.